Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore 20 phrasal verbs that native speakers use in their everyday conversations. So these phrasal verbs will help you sound more natural and confident in your English speaking skills. Number one is get on with, to continue doing something. For example, I'll get on with my work while you're out. Number two, turn up, to arrive or appear. For example, I'm expecting my friend to turn up at the party tonight. Number three, put off, to delay or postpone something. For example, I've been putting off my homework all day, but I really need to get started. Number four, get over, to recover from an illness or a difficult experience. For example, I've been sick all week, but I'm finally starting to get over it. Number five, look forward to eagerly anticipate something. For example, I'm really looking forward to my vacation next week. Number six, bring up, to mention or discuss something. For example, I don't want to bring up the topic of politics at dinner. Number seven, call off, to cancel or postpone something. For example, the concert was called off due to bad weather. Number eight, come up with, to think of or invent something. For example, I need to come up with a new idea for my project. Number nine, get through, to complete or finish something difficult. For example, I'm trying to get through this challenging book, but it's taking me a while. Number 10, go ahead, to proceed or continue with something. For example, you can go ahead and order the food while I'm in the restroom. Number 11, hang out, to spend time with someone or something. For example, I love hanging out with my friends on the weekends. Number 12, hold on, to wait or pause for a moment. For example, can you hold on for a second while I check something? Number 13, keep up with, to maintain or continue something. For example, I'm trying to keep up with my exercise routine, but it's getting harder. Number 14, let someone down, to disappoint or fail someone. For example, I don't want to let my team down, so I'll work extra hard to meet the deadline. Number 15, make up for, to compensate or make amends for something. For example, I'll make up for missing your birthday by taking you out for dinner this weekend. Number 16, pick up, to lift or collect something. For example, can you pick up the groceries on your way home? Number 17, put up with, to tolerate or endure something. For example, I'm not going to put up with this noise anymore. I'm calling the police. Number 18, run out of, to use up or exhaust something. For example, I've run out of money, so I need to budget more carefully. Number 19, show up, to arrive or appear. For example, I'm expecting my friend to show up at the party tonight. Number 20, take care of, to look after or manage something. For example, can you take care of my dog while I'm away on vacation? And that's it for today's video on phrasal verbs used by native speakers. I hope you found these phrasal verbs helpful and informative. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrasal verbs in your everyday conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.